How to edit a template in your account. After logging into your account, click on Template from the navigation bar. Click on Preview button under Action column. Scroll down and click Edit Template. Edit the details you want. After updating the details you want, scroll down and click Next. You can edit the fields if you want. After checking all the details, click Next. Lastly, click on Submit to save changes. Template has been updated successfully. That's it for today. Document verification using globally patented technology. Thank you for watching.